All right, welcome back to the show, guys. Now, that was Brackets with our throwback song of the day. It's called Yori Yori. Now, I had to put that one in because, those guys actually started off from the city. And yes, since we are actually celebrating the 042 this month, yes, I thought it better to actually bring back those good old tunes from the good old days that some of these are artists who actually started off from the city. Now, these two guys they started off as three, and then it's like Faith said, there'll be three, later become two. Yeah, I didn't say, but I just had to remix that. Yeah, but then it feels so good to know that even after how many years later, Smash and Dash and Vast and these guys are still all together and doing pretty good for themselves. Yes, talk about the cool city. Yes, this city has actually been known for birthing so many of the great entertainers out there in the world. One of them happens to be the likes of Mr. Raw, the likes of Il Bliss, the likes of Fino, Jerick, Aguero Banks, High Star La Vista. A whole lot of those great arts who are actually popping right now actually started up in the city. Early hours of today, I was actually watching a podcast which was actually buzzing on social. It was about Mr. Flavor talking about how it all started from Enugu and also giving a shout out to Mr. Raw for actually putting him through. So yes, that goes to tell you exactly how very well or how very fertile this city is. And talking about being fertile, it's fertile not just in the scene of entertainment, but also lifestyle and everything in between. I'm talking about lifestyle and talking about hangout spots and some of the coolest in the town and in the city, like you love to call it, ladies and germs. We're still live at the BCG bar, restaurant, boutique, spa. It's a whole lot all compiled in one right here in the coast city of Enugu. And joining me to talk about this place because I really am curious to really know exactly how this whole thing all started and the idea behind putting all of these things together in one. So joining me on the show today is no other than the manager of BCG, and he is no other than Mr. Amaechi Henry, the one, they know as Hennessy.
Yeah.
How you doing, sir?
I'm good, Choco.
Welcome to the show, man.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Or maybe you should be telling me welcome to BCG.
Yes. You're welcome.
All right. So let's start off. BCG. What is BCG all about?
Basically, BCG is Chude Global.
Oh.
That is the full meaning of BCG.
Okay.
Chude Global Concept.
So who's
Limited.
Benny? And who's Chude?
Yeah, I have like 3 CEOs.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Yeah, 3 CEOs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so Benny is the lady, Benita, then the Chude is the husband, then the global concept. Yeah.
Oh, I love the fact there's a lady
twin.
there.
Yes.
There's a lady, so it's like
A
what a man
twin,
can do, a woman
exactly.
can do. Feels good. So ladies, you can actually see it. There are ladies who actually own coolest places or cool places like this. All right, it's all good. So let's talk about the evolution of BCG. How did the whole BCG thing start? And because I see here and I see a different kind of setting. I see a place that has something that you don't really get from other places. Why? Because it's not like you guys planned everything. If it were to be somewhere in should I say in Lagos or in Kaduna, Abuja, they will say, "Nah, man, get this place." Why? Because he doesn't want his money to go outside, so he just had to have everything on the inside. Yeah, so talk to me about the concept and evolution of BCG, when it all started and how it's been.
Okay, BCG didn't just start today. You understand? It's been on for years.
Okay.
You get. Initially, we have an office at Ogui Road.
Okay.
You get where we do fashion and stuff. You understand? That is the main idea of BCG. We are fashion inclined from the very beginning. You understand? So along the line, when you start doing business, you also look for how to expand and do other things.
Yeah.
So this place came up and my CEOs felt like, okay, this is cool. Let's do this. So they came together, got this place, and here we are today. So aside the fashion aspects, my other boss, the male one now, not the female.
Yeah.
He's more like a lifestyle person. So it felt like, okay, since we have here now and we're actually doing our fashion stuff, let that one stay there. Why not let's do something different?
Yeah.
You get, let's come up with a lounge or something like that. Let's just do something different, something unique.
Yeah.
You get, that is the whole idea behind BCG.
All right, so that's cool. So how long have you been here?
Yeah, we are just a year in this particular building. Yes.
No, like you. How long have you been?
Myself,
with
I'm
BCG?
a year as well.
A year as well.
Started together. Yes.
So how's it been?
Yeah, I will not tell you it's been all rosy.
Rosy, yeah.
Yes, you understand. There are so many challenges.
Yeah.
It's not been easy, but we thank God we still keep pushing, and we are going well. You understand?
All right, it's all good. And meanwhile, guys, you might be wondering, we have small chops and we have wine. Yes, the small chop is courtesy of Golden Age Chops and Grills. I mean, if you come to BCG, then you should check these guys out because, oh my God, I tasted this and it actually blew me away. One of the finest I've ever seen. Yeah, Golden Age Chops and Grills. I mean, actually one of the best in town. And it's also located right here inside BCG. And also we got wines courtesy of the lounge right here in BCG. So you see, everything is covered right here. So you are covered. You want to party, you want to do anything, just find your way to BCG. All right, so what are the future plans for BCG?
Well, there are so many plans ahead. So many. We are looking beyond Enugu.
Okay.
You understand? We are planning on taking BCG international, going so many places.
Okay.
You get. We're actually looking at Lagos at the moment, but we're still on it. We've not concluded yet, but hopefully soon we'll get there.
What do you think it makes BCG stand out from every other hangout spots in town? Because I know there are so many. Yeah.
Yes. BCG, there are so many reasons why we stand out.
Okay.
You understand? I don't think there's any place in Enugu that has this kind of edifice. I don't think so. We have like 8 in 1 here. Like you said, we have Golden Age, we have our restaurant, we have the lounge, the club, fashion house, spa, salon, all in one. So you see, that's massive. You can't get that anywhere, I bet you.
Sure.
Here in Enugu, I can beat my chest and say, you can't see it anywhere, except it's maybe a shopping plaza or stuff like that.
All right, sounds cool. So finally, before we go, if you had one thing to say to Ndi Enugu, and also, I mean, there's so many persons watching us from across Nigeria and beyond, So if you had one thing to say to them before you go, what would you say to them?
Okay, basically, this is BCG, like you all know. I'll use this medium or opportunity to tell you guys, please come around here. Come and explore with us. Come and have fun. We have so many things. We have games. We have, apart from the club and the lounge, there are so many things you can enjoy yourselves with. We have our Ogene stuff we do on Sundays. You can just come around, come with your friends, family, loved ones. We also do wedding reception. Yes, we have space for that. Okay. So many things. Birthday celebrations, anything you want to do, BCG got you covered. And also, my birthday is coming up on Thursday. So let me also use this medium to invite Enugu as a whole. It's going to be an all-black party. Yes, please come out and party with me, party with BCG on Thursday. I promise you, you're not going to regret it. It's going to be massive. I'm going to blow your mind because there are so many things in stock for you guys. So please don't miss out.
I'm someone who loves food, and so this is me wondering, would there be food on that day? Food for all.
No, see what will happen. You know, it's about nightlife on that day.
Yeah.
So it is advisable you eat from your house. You understand? Okay. Yes, because we're going to be doing all popping stuff.
Okay.
Yes.
But there'll be free drinks.
Maybe after the occasion, our restaurant is 24 hours, definitely. You can always place your order. So we are on.
Okay, so big shout outs to you. His name is Amaechi Henry, otherwise known as Hennessy, and he is the manager of BCG Concept right here in the coast city of Enugu. Thank you for doing this, and big shout outs to you. Well done to what you guys are doing. I mean, this actually adds a whole lot to the city and actually the feel of the city. So keep doing what you're doing, and big ups all the way to the top. All right, guys. So yes, basically that's been it on the show for today. Hope you had fun doing this with me. It was a vibe, as always. guys. And yes, in case I haven't said this over 100 times, whenever you find your way to the city, find your way to BCG as well. Guys, I have been your host as always. My name is Choco Ani, and I don't do nothing loco because I always stay fly like I'm supposed to. We up on your socials at Afia TV Official. We on Facebook, we on X, we on Instagram, and every other social media platform that you know. So we'll do this again tomorrow, guys. Stay fly and be good. And from me to you, Udo Oganiru.
I'm telling you.